Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of banned account on the application of Temu. We click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about the application of Temu and you will enter here in this page. Then here in this page of app unfollow, we click on first stop and we click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we click on Play Store. You will search about the application of Temu. Here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again.